Welcome back to ECE 442-542. We are in Unit 7, which is dealing with PID controllers and generic or more general controllers. This is the second lecture in that unit, and this one is going to derive the equations or the transfer function corresponding to the digital PID controller, and we will get into some examples. Don't forget about the roadmap for the rest of the semester, and in particular homework 6 is due in a little bit over, well, in a week. It's due on Monday the 27th. The Unit 6 quiz will occur after that on Wednesday, and the second attempt on Saturday. And coming soon, we'll have, or I'll try to produce, a quiz review, and that will be in the Unit 6 module. Again, we are now in Unit 7, and its homework will be due on the following Monday, May 4th, the quiz the subsequent Wednesday, and the subsequent Saturday, the 6th and 9th of May. If you're in 542, you have a project that's due on Wednesday the 6th. And if you're interested in pursuing the optional unit, Unit 8 on state space controller design, you have the opportunity to pick up some extra points on the homework, which is due on Thursday the 7th of May. The final exam structure is yet to be determined, but we will have a final exam on Thursday, May 14th, and as sometimes happens, we have some supplements to these unit lectures, and these are with respect to two examples. One example illustrating Rule 5, where we're concerned with how do the root locus branches depart from the poles, the complex poles, and another example in 7.1 Supplement B, how do these branches of our root locus arrive, at what angles do they arrive at the complex zeros. The root locus material, which we are finishing up in this unit, you can find the analog and the digital versions in the course textbook. Chapter 5 deals with the analog, Chapter 6 the digital, and if you want, you have the answers in the back of the book by looking at MATLAB, and you can now generate these diagrams either with the plant itself, with just a pure gain controller, or with more general controllers, PI, PID, or generic controllers. You can now combine those and look at what happens to the root locus with your combined controller plant construction. Discussion post, look at those. Those might also answer some of your questions. If you have questions that you need to ask in person via Zoom, these are virtual meetings, but you can maybe say hello. Those are on Mondays and Wednesdays at 4 to 5 Tucson time. And if you are experiencing difficulties in any way, shape, or form, let me know. But I hope by now you know that Exam 2 and Exam 3 have been replaced with unit quizzes. Again, this was the announcement segment of Lecture 2 in Unit 7. We will now derive and show examples of the PID controller.